port, rail, distribution, deconsolidation, customs, fuel, truck repair, and maintenance. These are functions that are typically spread throughout a region. Imagine if these functions could be brought together in one place, reducing distances of supply chain activities to create efficiencies, lower costs, and lower emissions, and enhance service. This is what we call a logistics cluster. Across the globe, there are clusters of international trade called logistics clusters. These are trade clusters that attract a variety of businesses and a wide range of good-paying jobs. In Singapore, Dubai, Rotterdam, Memphis, Louisville, and Chicago, they all share common characteristics: an existing port with proximity to rail, a labor pool, established suppliers, and a government or community with an understanding of the port's value. Oakland shares those same characteristics with a unique advantage. Its former base is over 300 acres of underutilized land adjacent to the port that has the potential to be a logistics cluster. Why a logistics cluster? To answer that, we need to look at our history. When the Congress decommissioned the former base nearly 15 years ago, our community was impacted. We lost over 10,000 jobs. But somewhere in this bad news was future opportunity. But the opportunity came with a challenging question: what's the best use for the former base? Many ideas were pursued: a casino, an auto mall, a big box retail center with movie theaters, a movie studio and related theme park. All interesting ideas, but none of them addressed the aging infrastructure, the entitlement process, or made sense in an intensely industrial setting adjacent to a working port. Then in 2007, we at CCIG, with our partners at Prologis, suggested that the answer was in the past use. The best use for the 300 acres is a logistics cluster to enhance the existing port operations. With its direct western passes to Asia, vast eastern rail connectivity, and supporting trucking lines that stretch all the way to Chicago, we understood the answer had been there all along, because it was based on the same reasoning that the military used when it decided to locate the base on the Oakland waterfront in the first place. Oakland is where the deep water meets the rails. The Oakland Global Plan is designed to turn the former base into a modern trade and logistics cluster with a groundbreaking community jobs component. Trade and logistics has evolved over the past several decades. Our cluster will focus on intermodal facilities, which place cargo and bulk items directly onto ships, trains, or trucks. Providing warehouse facilities which increase the speed with which goods are moved, packaged, and repackaged. Providing on-site deconsolidation facilities which will dramatically reduce truck trips. For every 150,000 square feet of deconsolidation facilities we build, we take 14,000 trucks off the road each year. MIT professor Yoshi Sheffi was recently in Oakland and said, "For logistics clusters, bigger is better." That's why it makes sense to build upon Oakland's existing working waterfront and port to achieve economies of scale, grouped functions in one place, reducing multiple trips and steps, opportunities to share costs like labor, equipment, and space. Oakland has a great labor force. As this project comes online, a full array of jobs will be available. These jobs will not be offshoreable. They will create promotion opportunities from within, and logistics services feed multiple industries, making local and regional jobs less vulnerable to specific industry downturns. The average beginning salary for a logistics cluster job is almost $47,000 a year. The efficiencies created by Oakland Global as master planned will provide significant environmental benefits through reduced roadway congestion due to fewer truck trips to remote distribution centers. Further emissions reductions will be realized because freight will increasingly shift from trucks to rail cars, which are greener. 1 gallon of diesel will move a train 470 miles, which is the equivalent of taking 280 trucks off the road. This project is a true public-private partnership, and there are many stakeholders. If executed as planned, it will benefit the city, region, state, and the country for years to come.